Are you ready?
This is the 3-star Sitges Hotel. It's giving me premium vibes. Extra pillows and hangers and blankets. Get that. There we go. Memory foam bed. And not much of a view here. Alrighty, let's do a quick test of the bed. I believe this is memory foam. Squeaky, squeaky memory foam, beddy, beddy. Just proof that is memory foam. Yep, memory foam. So we're only here for a couple of nights and then we move over to a lovely hotel, which I cannot wait to show you for you guys. So have a good one, guys. I'll see you on the next quick room tour.